case 3. So in case 3, we are consider the transformer is placed between two buses. Case number 3, here for formulation of admittance matrix, we are considering a transformer is placed between two buses. In this case, again, it is divided in two types. Type 1, or we can say case A, or type 1, the regulating transformer is the regulating transformer is present between two buses and between two buses and the line model and the line model in bracket we are using pi model. The line model is placed at the left side of the transformer, left side of transformer with transformation ratio AGM 1 or A into 1. Here the important part is the pi model is placed at left side of the transformer. So this is case 3 where we are considering a transformer is placed between two buses, and in that case 3 we have considered type 1 where the pi model is, or transmission line model is, considered at a left side of the transformer. So for such case, let us understand how we can derive the admittance matrix for such type of case. So for that, just consider two bus network. Consider two bus network as shown in figure 1. Bus number I and J. So as we have said, the transmission line model pi is placed at the left side of transformer. So we can see here the transformer is connected at the jth bus and the line model is placed at left side of this transformer. That means the pi model of transmission line is placed at left side of the transformer. Okay, this is the case where the transformer is placed between two buses. Earlier we have seen only transmission line in our example, but in this case we have considered this transformer is placed between bus number I and J, and the transmission line model pi we have considered at the left side of this transformer. Clear up to this? So the equivalent circuit. So the equivalent circuit by considering the pi model So the equivalent circuit, by considering the pi model, here the transformer is the shunt admittance and what I have done here, just only drawing or considering the pi model of transmission line, which is placed at left side of the transmission line. Clear? Or we can say the transformer is placed at jth bus. This is the case where the transformer is placed at jth bus. Clear? So just write down all the values. Here the transfer admittance between bus number I and J is Yij. The shunt admittance at ith bus or shunt admittance offered by the ith bus is Yi0, and similarly the shunt admittance offered by the jth bus is Yj0. Clear? Here the regulating transformer having the transformation ratio is AGM1 or A:1. The voltage injected by this jth bus is Vj. So what will be the value of this secondary side voltage with respect to Vi? Vi is equal to, yes, can anyone say what is the value of Vi dash with respect to secondary side of this transformer? If my primary voltage of transformer is Vj, then what will be the secondary side voltage according to this transformation ratio? Can anyone say? Yes, anyone from your side? Yes, very good. A into Vj. Very good. Then current injected by the jth bus into this network is, let me go here, no problem. Yes, it is Ij. So similarly, as you have written for the voltage, similarly, what will be the value for the current injected by this transformer at secondary side using this transformation ratio? What is the value of current Ij? Yes, just recall the theory of transformer where the transformation ratio is multiplied for the voltage and divided by current. Clear? Ij by A. हाँ बोलो. Okay. Then similarly this side voltage, this sign is not valid for voltage, I think. Yes, let me erase it. This is how voltage cannot flow. Okay. Yes. Okay. So voltage at jth bus is Vj. Similarly, current flowing by or current injected by this ith network is Ii, and voltage at ith bus is Vi. Clear? So this is a figure 2 which represents the pi model of transmission line is located at the left side of this regulating transformer. This pi model is located at left side of this transformer, or we can say the transformer is placed at jth bus. Okay, why? Because there are probability of this is two bus network, so there are two probability where we can place our transformer, either at the ith bus or at the jth bus. So here we are considering type 1 where our transformer is placed at jth bus, and this pi model is located at the left side of the transmission, the transformer. Clear up to this? So can anyone help me to write down the equation, apply this KCL, the current I1 and I2, or sorry, I1 and II and Ij. Can anyone help me to write this equation for current injected by the generator or bus into this network, applying simple KCL? Yes, anyone? We have done this earlier. Yes, II is equal to, see here,
Vi into Yi0
Vi,
into Yi0
yes, very good. Let me write here,
plus
Vi into Y,
Yi0
yeah,
I0
I0, or we can say Y0, shunt admittance. Okay, let me write Y plus,
Vi minus
Ij, then minus
AVJ into
AV.
Yij.
Wow, very good, nice, very nice. Bj into A Y Ij, very good. Yes. Similarly, can anyone help me to write down the equation for Vj? Yes. Here we have current I by A. So first we will write the simple equation, then multiply by A. So what is the equation or current injected by the jth bus for this network? Yes.
हेलो सर एक डाउट છે
हाँ बोलो.
સર જે આપણે I કરંટ લખેલો છે ને
Yes. हाँ.
એમાં સર માઇનસમાં ઓકે
અમે
જે લખેલું છે
ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડમાં છે ને, આ રહ્યો જો, આ જે તમારો વીજે છે એ ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડમાં આવે છે ને, એટલે કોઈ પણ એક સાઈન તમારે નેગેટિવ લેવી પડે. ક્લિયર? હા, તો સિમિલરલી ચલો આના માટે બોલો તો, what is the value of Ij? I'm talking about this term. Yes, Ij by A. Yes,
Vi dash.
V
I dash.
I dash. Okay, or we can say A into Vj, A into Vj, or Vi dash. Okay, chalo, A into Vj, then
Yj0 Yij
Y J0 Y Ij, then the minus term
Vi into Yij.
Yeah, very good. A into A Yij. There is no A. Okay. Clear? Let me erase it. It will create a confusion. Okay. Clear up to this? So just multiply this A, then we will get a final equation is like minus A into here. We'll write this term first here. Minus A into Yij into bracket Vi plus A square into bracket Yj0 plus Yij into bracket Vj. Clear up to this? Just see the equation. So from this equation number say 1 or A, from equation number 1 in matrix form we can write II, Ij. Yes, can anyone help me to write down this admittance matrix by considering this transformer at jth bus? Vi and Vj. Yes. What is the this diagonal or y11 diagonal element y11? Yes, anyone? What is the value of
yi0 plus
yes,
yij.
very good, yes.
yi0 plus
Y I0
yi0
plus
plus yij
I. Very good. The second element
minus of a
Minus a
yij
minus A into
yij
Ij. Very good. Then for this Y21
minus of yij
minus of
a square yij.
not A square. Here it is.
Okay.
Yeah. A.
Yij.
It must be same. Why? Because this Y bus matrix is symmetric matrix. If it is not, then there will be a mistake from your side to derive an equation. Okay? Yes. This Y22 is equal to, yes, anyone? What is the value of Y22?
yj0 yj0
X
plus
square
yij
Square
yj
into
into a
Yj0
square.
plus
yj
Ij.
yj.
Clear up to this? So this is what the final equation. Now let me recall you again. Here we have considered a transformer is placed between two buses I and J, and there are two probability where we can place our transformer. It is either at ith bus or at the jth bus. So for the first type or in first case we are considering the transformer is placed at the jth bus. That means our transmission line model is placed at the left side of, just highlight this word in your book, it is placed at left side of the transformer, and for that we have derived the equation number 2. Clear up to this? Okay. Then so the equivalent circuit, so equivalent circuit for transformer is placed at jth bus. The equivalent circuit where the transformer is placed at jth bus is as follow. So we have here the node, or we can say ith bus, the transfer admittance, jth bus, again it is a shunt, So this is your equivalent circuit where the transformer is placed at jth bus, or we can say your pi model is placed at left side of this transformer. Here just line round the on jth bus. That means we have connected transformer on jth bus. This is your I. Here we have YSE. YSE means series admittance. Here we have YSH1. That means shunt admittance 1. Similarly here YSH2. Shunt admittance 2. Now can anyone help me to write down the value of these series and shunt elements from the matrix which we have derived equation number 2? Yes, from this matrix, help me to write down the values of these series and shunt elements. Yes, just look at this matrix and help me to write down these series and shunt elements. Yes, anyone from your side? Say, we'll start from Yij. What is the value of Yij? Or we can say transfer or series element. So from matrix, what is the value of Yij? See the matrix, what is the value of Yij? Or we can say, if it is bus number 1 and bus number 2, then what is the value of Y12? Yes, from matrix.
minus a by I.
Yes, very good. It is minus, but yes, not minus. Okay,
A.
yeah. Okay, very good. A Y I J. Why I am not considering minus? Just remember the conclusion which we have derived in previous theory. Clear? So the conclusion number 2, off diagonal elements are negative of the series or transfer admittance. So from that we can write only Yij is equal to A into Yij. Similarly, let me write down the equation for Yii. Again, what I am considering or giving the number 1 and 2. So what is the value of Y11? Yii means Y11. So from matrix, what is the value of Y11?
yi0 plus yi2.
And in practical case or in actual case, yi0 plus yij and the summation of these off diagonal element which is offered by the transformer. So we'll explain. So the final value is from matrix you can write y I0 or 0 I0. yi0 plus yij is your shunt admittance plus minus of A into yij. See the matrix here, this plus this. We are considering the effect of transformer to write down our diagonal elements. Clear up for this? Similarly, can anyone say what is the value of yjj from the matrix? For y22, that means these elements plus this element. So what is the yjj? Is can write a square into y0 plus Yij. Then the second term is minus A into Yij. Clear? Yj0. Then again, what is the value of Yji from the matrix? Yji or Ij will remain same.
AYIJ.
Same.
A into Yij. Very good. So just simplify this equation. Here I can write the shunt element plus 1 minus A into transfer element or series element. Clear? Just I have taken a common Yij from this summation. Similarly, for this, I can write the shunt element A square into J0 plus A into A minus 1 Yij. So clear up to this? This is your derivation for your equivalent circuit is considered at the left side of your regulating transformer, or we can say our transformer is placed at jth bus into the network for 2-bus network. Clear? Now, does anyone have doubt? खबर पड़ी करी भाई?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, type 2. Now, yes, just help me to derive an equation for type 2. Now, what is the second condition? Yes, anyone from your side? In first case, we have considered that our regulating transformer is present between 2 buses and the line model pi is placed at the left side. So here the line model is placed at right side of regulating transformer. So what is the change? Change in transformation ratio now. Previously it is M1 or A:1. Now it is 1:A. Then next, what is the change in diagram? Let me draw it again. We have considered previously 2-bus network. Similarly, we have again considered a 2-bus network where now the transformer is placed at ith bus. Previously, it is placed at jth bus. Yes, clear? So, it is the case where the transformer is placed at ith bus. Clear? What is the role of this transformer in power system, or say in this network? Regulating transformer. What is the role of this regulating transformer? Yes, anyone? Will teach you in later on lecture, but just keep in mind the role of this regulating transformer is to make the constant voltage magnitude of this particular bus or network, transmission line network. to make the constant voltage magnitude or to balance the constant voltage magnitude of this particular network. So clear? Now let us write down the directly final equation. I'm not going to draw again this network. Here the change is the transformer is now at place here at the ith bus, and our pi model is located at the right side of our transformer. So yes, can anyone help me to write down directly the matrix from this for the case type 2? Matrix I and Ij is equal to, or Y bus directly matrix. What will be the change if I will just change the position of transformer from jth bus to ith bus? Yes, you can refer this. What will be the change in my Y bus matrix? Yes, anyone? See the equation 1. What will be the change in equation 1 and 2? Oh, sorry, equation 1 for current I1 and I2. What is the change if I just place the transformer at ith bus?
A square आई जैसे खाली
Yes, very good. क्या આવી જશે
फर्स्ट एलिमेंट
ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટમાં? એટલે કે હું કહી શકું કે yes, this will be get changed and the rest of the elements are remain same. Can I say that? Or you can verify it by yourself also. Clear? So just help me to write down the elements of the Y bus matrix when the transformer is placed at ith bus. Yes. What is the equation? The first
square.
element.
A square
Okay, a square into y
I0
so plus
Y IJ
ij. Very good. Then the second element will remain same. You can also verify it here by yourself. Same way, a y ij, and here what is the y value of y22?
Yj0 plus Yij.
Yeah, y j0 plus y ij. Very good. So the equivalent circuit when a transformer is placed at ith bus. So can draw the circuit diagram as we have drawn previously. Yes, will help me to write the parameters of this network. It is ith bus, it is jth bus, this is your series element YSC, same way as we have previously selected, YSH1 and YSH2. Yes, will help me to write down the next equation while considering the transformer at ith bus. For either these equations. Similarly, we have to write for the type 2. starting from Yij. Yes. What is the value of Yij? If we are comparing these both two types,
A into Yij.
yes, A into
Yij.
Yij. Second, for Yii. Now, what is the value of Yii?
A square
Yes, very good. A square into
Yij. Yi 0
Yi 0
plus Yij
Ij, then
plus
uh,
minus Yij.
A into Yij.
A into 1.
Yeah, very good. Then just help me to write the equation for admittance at jth bus Yjj. Yes,
Minus Yij
yeah, you can write minus A into Yij. A भूल जाओ.
plus
Plus
plus Yj0 plus Yij.
Yj0 plus
Yij.
Yij. Very good. So again we can simplify this equation as we have previously simplified. So A square into your shunt elements I0 plus A into A minus 1 into your transfer or series element. Similarly for this equation can write Yj0 plus 1 minus A into bracket Yij. Clear up to this? Yes, one thing is left. Can write Yji also. So clear?